Hey there, savvy shoppers and foodies. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday hacks to make your life easier and more rewarding. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to use your Amazon Prime Visa card at restaurants. If you're an Amazon Prime member, this card isn't just for online shopping, it's a powerhouse for earning rewards on your dining adventures. Let's dive right in. First off, ensure your Amazon Prime Visa card is ready to go. Issued by Chase, this card needs to be activated before you start using it. Head over to the Chase website or app, log in with your details, and follow the simple activation steps. It's quick and straightforward, usually taking just a minute or two. Once activated, using it at restaurants is as easy as pie, or should I say, as easy as your favorite meal. When you're at a restaurant, whether it's a casual diner or a fancy eatery, just pull out your card when the bill arrives. Swipe, tap, or insert it like any other Visa card. The magic happens with the rewards. You'll earn 2% cash back on restaurant purchases, which can add up fast if you dine out regularly. Plus, if you're buying gift cards or other eligible items at the restaurant, you might snag even more perks. But wait, there's more. Keep an eye on your rewards through the Chase app or website. You can track your earnings in real time and redeem them for statement credits or directly on Amazon for Prime eligible items. One pro tip: always pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges and maximize your savings. In conclusion, using your Amazon Prime Visa at restaurants is a no-fuss way to turn your meals into money back in your pocket. It's perfect for date nights, family outings, or grabbing takeout. Give it a try next time you're out, and watch those rewards pile up. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite restaurant hacks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.